As usual, typical male pattern baldness, what will happen? The hairline, the seat, and it goes backwards and a typical M shape. So we have a classification of node 1 to node 7. If you look at him, I can say he's node 3, in the sense that typical M shape, look, it's receded hairline backwards. So what you need to do is just transplant hair, the area where it's lost is mid scalp and the crown and the donor density is good, so nothing to worry about. So just the area that is lost. So our idea is to give him back hair, giving him back the density of his hairline. There is a frame of space, and most important, giving him back the confidence that he's lost due to he lost his hair. So otherwise everything is okay. I'd like to thank my patient for supporting my team and Dr. Inder and myself to do the procedure for him. Thumbs up. Yes. Thumbs up, doctor. Thank you to my patient.